Hello and welcome to AI Basics. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can invite your collaborators in your veed.io. So if you have created a company or team and you want to add collaborators, this is the video for you. Go ahead and open the Chrome or Edge browser, go to veed.io and then log into your account. Now to invite collaborators to your team, you can click invite, and what you need to do is write down the email address of your members which you want to add and then click invite. This way they will be invited to the veed.io's team. Now you can also invite the collaborators by clicking on this icon and clicking collaborators. It will open the same page where you can write down the email address, and after you write down the email address, click invite. So after you have sent the invitation, they will receive a mail and they can accept the mail and reject the mail as well, and if they accept it, they will become one of your collaborators. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.